How to kill weeds with bleach. Weeds can be an unsightly addition to your garden. Fortunately, a bottle of bleach can resolve the problem of weeds in only a few days. Save yourself the cost of purchasing an expensive herbicide by reaching into your laundry supply cabinet. Buy full concentrate bleach. Find a clean, empty spray bottle. Pour undiluted bleach into the spray bottle. Use a plastic funnel to avoid getting bleach onto your hands and causing irritation. Screw the top of the bottle closed and set the nozzle to mist or its equivalent. Locate weeds on your property. Mist the weed growth. Switch the bottle's nozzle to spray or its equivalent. Spray the weed's root and the crevices from which they grow. Take care to not spray neighboring grass or desirable plants. Wait 2 or 3 days while the bleach works to kill the weed's roots. Return to the weed site and pull the weeds from the soil. The bleach should make their removal easy. Tips warnings. 1. Treatment of bleach on the weeds should keep weeds from growing back for a while. If you accidentally spray neighboring plants with bleach, quickly hose them down with clean water. Be advised that using bleach to kill weeds is likely to raise your soil's pH level. Growing plants, shrubbery and other types of greenery may be made more difficult with raised pH levels. Do not mix bleach with other household cleaners. Mixing bleach with vinegar is especially dangerous. Using bleach to kill weeds may affect insects in your garden.